Always plumbing and heating. We wanna be your plumber. We wanna bring you comfort.
Hi, it's Pam from Always Plumbing and Heating. Let's discuss furnace repair and replacement. If you find yourself with a furnace that isn't operating properly or fails to work completely, you need a furnace repair stat. That's why we provide outstanding service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. Anytime you call, we immediately dispatch a technician to your home, even during weekends and holidays. We service all furnace brands and models with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Also, are you thinking it's time to replace your furnace? If your furnace is over 15 years old, you could save 45% of your heating costs by switching to a highly energy efficient model. And if your furnace is costing a lot in repair bills, it may be time to consider purchasing a furnace replacement. Our technicians can assess your home's unique heating requirements and provide you with a professional recommendation, including suggestions on what equipment packages best suit your needs. At Always Plumbing and Heating, we understand that choosing the right furnace for your home can be daunting. As your trusted furnace installer, we will provide you with a straightforward, all-inclusive price before starting any work. Our customers love our financing options with flexible payment plans. To get a free, no-obligation furnace estimate, book online at alwaysplumbing.ca.
Always plumbing and heating. We wanna be your plumber. We wanna bring you comfort.